Welcome to City Update. Are you ready to take the exciting step towards purchasing your first home? It can sometimes seem a little overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The City of Fayetteville offers a First Time Homebuyers Workshop for those who are looking to purchase their first home. Bernadine Simmons from the city's Economic and Community Development Department is going to tell you more about the First Time Homebuyers Workshops.
June is National Homeownership Month. The City of Fayetteville believes that the goal of home ownership does not have to be an unattainable goal. They have a home buyers program that assists home buyers with down payment assistance. The process to unlocking the keys to your first home is through the workshops and the one-on-one counseling. The workshops and the counseling are conducted by Kingdom Community Development Corporation, and they have HUD-approved counselors that help you along the way. At the workshop, you learn about budgeting for a home, searching for a home, the home buying process, and the mortgage process. You learn about the mortgage products that are out there for home buyers. At the one-on-one counseling, it is tailor-made just for that borrower. The borrower looks at their credit report with the HUD-approved counselor, and if there are any hindrance to home ownership on the credit report, the HUD-approved counselor will help identify those things and how to eliminate them so that the goal of homeownership is attainable. The classes are offered every fourth Saturday of the month. They are from 8:30 to 4:30. Pre-registration is required. Once the borrower completes the workshop and the one-on-one counseling, they are given a certificate that is good for 1 year. Then they meet with a lender, get pre-approved for a mortgage, search for a home, and then the lender submits, once they find the home, the lender submits the application and all of their documents to the City of Fayetteville. It takes the city approximately 2 weeks for two-week turnaround upon receipt of a complete packet. There's a multi-level review by the city, and once that is completed, a check is submitted for the down payment assistance, and it is delivered to the settlement agent for the closing costs. Once I receive a complete packet and I can deliver that settlement check to the settlement agent, it gives me warm and fuzzies because I know I have helped someone achieve the goal of home ownership.
Be sure to register for one of the upcoming First Time Homebuyers Workshops by visiting fayettevillenc.gov/ECD. It's the first step in making your dream of home ownership become a reality. Thanks for watching this City Update, and we'll see you next time.